everybody, this is my first video in English. I am Italian, so if I do some mistakes, please forgive me. In today's video I am gonna show you how to do this spider made by beads. All you need is simple material like some tiny wire, and hard wire for the body, 2 beads 1 centimeter of diameter and half centimeter of diameter, some tube beads and some teeny tiny beads. So if you are curious to know how to do this little spider, keep on watching. So at first you have to cut a piece of hard wire, and you have to pass it through the 2 round beads. Now with the round tip pliers you have to create 2 loops, one before and one after the 2 round beads. Now you have the body of the spider. For the legs you have to follow this scheme. When you have done this for 4 times, you need to take all the legs and turn all the final threads together. Now you have to turn all the threads between the 2 parts of the body of the spider to secure the legs on the body. Now you can shape the legs of the spider to be more realistic. If I'm not so bad with the English explanation and you love this project, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, see you at the next video.